Be sure to catch the next episode of Just Talking It Up on iTunes, Stitcher, your favorite podcast app, or on the web at bigbrainsmedia.com.
Hey, you forgot our names.
No.
You did. You forgot our names.
Don't be silly. I'm Janet, you're Crash, see?
She's just like a goose. She wakes up in a new world every day.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, June 7th. I'm James Spann. As expected, kind of wet around the state today. Tomorrow still looks dry, but some forecast changes for Sunday. So let's get in there and take a look. We'll start with some of the Skycam shots around the network as we look out the window. That's the Inverness Skycam in North Shelby County. That camera high atop the Wingate Inn. The sky's cloudy. Heavier rains well to the east, of a little light rain and spots still around the Birmingham metro. There's a look at our Skycam in Walker County and downtown Jasper on the King Building. And boy, what a difference a day makes. Look at the surf at Gulf Shores. It's just smooth as glass. Andrea's long gone. It's been a partly sunny day, and the red flags have been lowered. And the weekend looks fine down there. Next several days, about 6 to 8 hours of sunshine. And, of course, there's a chance of scattered showers and storms. That's almost a daily fixture there, but nothing out of the ordinary. Highs will be in the 80s. On the map, kind of energetic, we've got Andrea, of course, to the east. You can see that short wave coming through Alabama and a little wave down in South Texas. There's a look at the radar this afternoon. That was captured at 2:48, the heavier storms over the eastern side of the state. You can see a little light rain lingering from Birmingham down to Marion, and also a few new showers forming over northwest Alabama. So the precipitation event will wind down, but some of the rain could linger into the evening hours. I think most of it should be gone by 8 or 9 o'clock tonight. Temperatures, hey, doesn't look like June. You know, Birmingham has failed to reach 90 this year, which is amazing. This is June 7th, and it's sure not happening today. Only 69 degrees at mid-afternoon because of clouds and rain. Flash flood watches up for a lot of the eastern states. Some pretty significant flooding around Raleigh, North Carolina today. They picked up over 4 inches thanks to Andrea. And a tornado watch for parts of North Carolina, Virginia, up into Chesapeake Bay, Delaware. And that's in effect until 8 o'clock Eastern time tonight. Severe weather possibilities. We have that slight risk on the eastern seaboard and also a risk well to the west of here. Tomorrow, the nation's midsection with a slight risk of severe weather. That's the standard risk. And on day 3, which is Sunday, a slight risk northwest of Alabama. Places like Cape Girardeau, Missouri, Paducah, Kentucky. That's along a surface boundary that will be advancing down this way. But really organized severe weather here, just not expected anytime soon. We just rarely have that in June, July, and August. We have the wet microburst, the scattered stuff, but not like we have in the spring. This is the rain for the next 5 days. This carries us through Wednesday evening, and this is showing rain amounts of really about 1 to 1.5 inches here. And to look at Andrea over South Carolina on the journey northeast. It's really becoming extra tropical. It's obviously not a classic tropical system now. I'm sure the Hurricane Center will drop the advisories as of late afternoon. Elsewhere across the Atlantic Basin, things are quiet. That little disturbance that's east of the Leeward Islands is encountering very strong wind shear aloft and no formation expected there. We'll take a look at modeling here. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock local time tomorrow afternoon. And we've got a southwest flow aloft, but the air is drier. And the models are pretty dry, and that's consistent with the ongoing forecast. The GFS printing out a chance of rain at 4% tomorrow, the NAM at 6%. So if you like the numbers game, obviously, chance of rain very small. There could be a shower out there. Let's look at the high-resolution NAM, 3 o'clock tomorrow. And you can see a few specks out there. But if anything does pop up, it should be very widely spaced. But, ooh, look at Sunday. Models are trending wet now. And that's not going to say it's going to be a totally rainy day, but no doubt we need to hit the chance of rain harder Sunday and mention scattered showers and storms as the moisture levels increase across the state. Maybe a heavy downpour there, and this is Monday. A surface low is near Milwaukee, Wisconsin, with a trailing front, and I don't think that front makes it in here. We probably will see a little bump in the chance of showers and storms Monday, and the front will probably dissipate north of the state. This is Tuesday. The front stalled out around Nashville. So again, scattered showers and storms on Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday looks maybe a little drier, but I just think every day we need to go with the climatological pops, at least a chance of scattered afternoon storms. Thursday, a pretty good disturbance comes in here. That could be fairly wet. And then a week from today, we're watching the upper high. That's nasty looking. Big old 591 ring centered around Tulsa, Oklahoma, pushing up into Iowa and Nebraska. Often referred to this time of the year as the Death Ridge because it's so hot and dusty and dry. And we're kind of on the eastern flank of that thing. This is showing the better chance of showers down south. High's getting close to 90, but the GFS has been way too hot in the day 4 through 7 range, so we might touch 90 on a day next week, but still no sign of any excessive heat issues. That's it for the Weather Extreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. Brian Peters is out of town, unfortunately, so the next weather video, Weather Extreme video, will be done Monday morning at 7 by yours truly. Of course, we'll have notes frequently on the blog tonight and over the weekend. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful weekend, and God bless.
Hi, I'm Steve Sample with Bama Talk. Don't miss a single episode of Bama Talk Show, available now on iTunes, Stitcher, or your favorite podcast app, and on the web at bigbrainsmedia.com.